Hello everyone. They say it takes 2 to 3 years to learn to talk for a kid, but it takes a lifetime to learn how to talk to people. In this video, we are going to learn how to talk to people around us. Talk to mother lovingly. Talk to father respectfully. Talk to wife truthfully. Talk to brother heartfully. Talk to sister affectionately. Talk to children enthusiastically. Talk to relatives empathetically. Talk to friends jovially. Talk to colleagues politely. Talk to vendors strictly. Talk to customers honestly. Talk to workers courteously. And talk to politicians carefully. Happy talking. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.